What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Kraken app to bank account. So you might be looking for a way to withdraw your money here to your bank account. Well, this one is really easy. So first is first, you want to open up the Kraken app here and you want to go to your portfolio that you see at the very bottom of the screen. Now, in your portfolio, you want to look for your, in this case, what you want to transfer. So in this case, you have US dollar. Now, by the way, if you still are holding, like, let's say, the cryptocurrency, I would recommend you to sell that first so that you get like US dollar in your account. But once you've done that, you just need to press on it. And from here, you want to go and just go to the very bottom here, and you should see withdraw and deposit as well. So just click or press on withdraw. Now on the withdrawal page here, you now have the option to specify how much you want to withdraw here. Now you can use the percentage or specific amount here. And by the way, if you want to specify or use your bank account to withdraw that, you can go and click on the drop down icon next to the banking icon here and just basically add your bank account via this way. But once you've added your bank account here and added all the, in this case, details or the amount that you want to withdraw, you can go and just click on the review button here that should appear once you click on enter at the bottom right of the screen. Now from here, you just need to review a few things like the amount, the fees, and the total here, and which account that you are withdrawing to, and the bank account number details here. But yeah, if you're sure, go ahead and click on swipe to withdraw here, and that should initiate the bank withdrawal here to from your Kraken account to your bank account. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.